In this video, I'll show you how to open up an Uber Eats driver account. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into this video. Alright guys, open up your Uber Eats app on your mobile device and then make sure to sign in or sign up. So to do that, I'll just log out of my account here. Alright, I'm going to log out, sign out. Alright, so when you first open up Uber Eats, you'll be brought to a page that looks similar to this. So what you want to do is click on continue. And then you want to either type in your phone number or continue with Google, Apple or email. So I'm going to do this with Google. So I'm going to continue, click on continue with Google. Alright, I'm going to choose my account here. Continue as tutorial is. Now it's going to go ahead and sign you in or sign you up. And now what you want to do is put in your phone number here and your first name, last name, and then click on to next. So I'll do this and I'll meet you at the next step. Alright, once you're done, you should be logged in and you'll come to a page that looks like this. And then once you're inside of this page here, you want to click onto account, bottom right hand corner, and then scroll down. And then what you want to do is click on earn by driving or delivering. And then you'll be brought to this page here where it says earn with Uber. Decide when, where and what you want to earn. So where would you like to earn? So type in the city or region. And then if you've got a referral code, put it in there and then click on to next. And then choose how you want to earn with Uber. So pick which one you want to do. So if you're going to deliver with a bicycle, click on that. With car, motorbike or scooter, rides with fleets. So for this demonstration, I'm going to do delivery with car. So you're going to be 18 or over and have a full driver's license. And certain specs on your car, it's going to be from year 1990 onwards to drive. And then click on yes, I agree. And then just continue the prompts and then you're good to drive with Uber. I'm not going to continue because I do not want to drive. I just want to show you how to do it. Thanks for watching.